Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you. We are at the fag end of a working day, and yet there are so many of you, all eager faces, all bright eyed and bushy tailed, all set to answer questions and win prizes. I'm so happy for you. But I also feel very sorry for you. Why? Because you don't know one secret. You participants are here not by choice. You are all victims of fate. Hmm. How, you will ask me? See, what is a quiz program? It's all about answering questions and facing the consequences. Are your entire life from beginning to end is all filled with questions, answers, and their consequences. Nahi samjhe? See, when you are born, what happens? Everybody in the waiting hall starts shouting, ladki hai ke ladka, ladki hai ke ladka. Then everybody suddenly develops an interest in looking at your center of your body. So embarrassing, no? Then what happens? You grow up into a child. Then mummy starts asking questions. Bonvita piya? Khana khaya? Susu kiya? That you understand, no? And then when you don't obey, what happens? She starts screaming. Why you want to make me mad? If she's like Lalita Pawar, she will say, Arey shaitan, tumne mere कोख से क्यों जन्म लिया? See, in life, there are certain questions which are called rhetorical questions. They have no answers, or at least the answers are known. So don't try to answer them. Next, what happens? You go to school. There, all the questions go above your head. The only questions you understand begin with bad words. Idiot, you want to fail the class? Rascal, you think you're too smart? Scoundrel, you want a pasting on your barabar na? Then jaake you come to college. Now in college, what happens? For the first time in your life, you begin to ask questions. So you ask your friend, who is that duplicate Madhuri Dixit? How can I patav her? Does she like Cadbury chocolate? Will she go out with me if I act like Salman Khan? Questions, questions, questions. Then come your exams. So you study hard day and night. And then you go into the exam hall and the examiner starts asking you, Bol Kamine, what is the number of ribosomes that decode the Falana gene on the Dhekana variety of retinoblastoma? And what is the name of the dog of the scientist who discovered it? Don't know. Fail. And then you see your female colleague. She goes into that hall and the same examiner says, Beta, what is the spelling of eyelid? And she says, I for India, then LID. Wah, beta, wah, what an answer. Full marks. Why did this happen? Because her face is like Madhubala and her figure is 36, 24, 36. Your figure is 40, 60, 80, and your face is like Gabbar Singh. Hai na? So now you think that your questions are over. No. After your studies are completed, your mother will come with photos and ask you, बेटा मैं ये लड़की को बहू बनाना चाहती हूँ, चलेगा? And you say, नहीं माँ, ये तो किंग कॉन्ग की बहन लगती है. मैंने डुप्लीकेट माधुरी दीक्षित को ऑलरेडी प्रपोज किया है और उसने हाँ कहा है. I told you ना, questions and answers have consequences. So आपकी शादी हो जाती है. Then 1 year goes by, then 2 years go by, and then the wife starts asking questions. Husband dear, yesterday was my mummy's birthday. Why you did not wish her? अरे वो मैं BOA conference में busy था. But you found time to click like on the Facebook photos of her neighbor Meena Bhabhi wearing short dresses and write long comments on them. See, these are all rhetorical questions. Don't answer them. Okay. Then in your work also questions. So some patient will come and ask you, Arey doctor sahab, you took 20,000 from me for FECO and my neighbor went to Aramdev Baba and he put his urine into his eye and his cataract was gone. As a bonus, his eye was also gone. But he charged him only 5,000. You're taking so much money from me. Then regarding your hospital equipment, every day you are phoning the engineer. Arey boss, just 30 days ago, I bought your FECO for 30 lakhs and it has stopped working 30 times. And every single time that engineer will reply with more questions. Sir, did you connect this tubing to that tubing and flush, and that tubing to this tubing and flush, and that tubing to... One more time, if you say tubing and connecting and flush, I will call my gastroenterologist friend. I will connect you to his machine, and then I will flush your tubing from bottom to top. Questions, questions, questions. Array, these questions don't stop even after you become old. When you become 87 years old and you come out of the satsang hall, then you're adjusting your glasses or your denture or something. And then your 86-year-old wife will say, husband ji, when Swamiji was giving pravachan, why you were ogling at Reena Bhabhi? Huh? Just because she dyes her hair? That is life, my friends. So now you understand. You are all here not because of choice. You are destined to face questions. Yes. But don't worry. All these are nice people, Usha madam and the Ajanta people and all that. If I had written the questions, they would be very embarrassing. But they have written nice questions for you. So don't worry. With that, a very warm welcome to all of you again. And I hope you have a grand evening and have a blast. Thank you for your attention. Now I will hand over the mic to Karobi ma'am.